Today we're playing Military Tycoon. Well, that's what I'm always gonna do now, except if there's something else, because this has been working out so well. Because on one of my videos, thank you so much for this. On one of my videos, I have 2,000 views. Like, that's a bunch. And bunch of comments. Yeah. And thank you guys. Okay, now I'm gonna just get into the video. Okay, so it's the aircraft carrier. It costs a bunch. So this new aircraft carrier is pretty good. I'm just gonna get a helicopter to go to it. It's really expensive though. It costs 15 million in total, but I think it's worth it. So yeah, I almost have everything of those, and then you can just spawn it. They didn't spend enough time to like do it. That's just what the destroyer looks like. Yeah, I don't know why they didn't spend enough time. They could have. It only takes like a few. Also, these don't have pictures for some reason. So you can actually spawn infinite of them, but you start with warplane because I never upgraded this. This is the best plane in the game, I think, except if the B-17 or fighter jet is better. But it's really good still. Yeah, it has all the helicopter. I mean, it has all the planes and helicopters, like helicopters also. Yeah, it has the helicopters even though there's no helipad. This boat is really big. Well, not all the helicopters, but the ones you will normally use. Well, if you're good. Yeah, and I think you can spawn infinite without the other things despawning. You can just, wait, no. So, wait, I thought you could spawn infinite. Wait, are they glitched inside of each other? No. I think, it'll despawn if you spawn another one yourself. But if you have clan, yeah, why did I do that? If you have clan members, they can spawn one without yours despawning. Yeah, that's probably how it works. So now I'll just test it. So to get to the driver's seat, it's right in here. There's a door, and you can go up here. And then there's something here. It says drones. Oh, the seat is backwards. They didn't do it correct. It says drones coming soon. So when the drones come, that will be really cool. I don't know why they put so many screens. Like, you only need one or two. But yeah, so on the second floor it says drone. There's drones coming soon. And on the third floor, this is where you control them. More screens. You don't need this. And then you can just press E. Wait, I'm gonna see if I'm backward. Okay, good, I'm not. And you can drive this. It's really big. I don't know how it fits in there. I think I just crashed a little bit. And it tilts a bunch. Okay, I'm gonna attack Finland. I hope those anti-air guns. Yeah, they just shot me. It doesn't matter. This boat is very strong. Yeah. Also, those anti-air guns, I'll just go close to show you. Look how fast they shoot. Yeah. This thing actually does, wait. They're all exploding? That's not fair. And then, we have anti-air guns. And I'm gonna show you them in a sec. The boat is tilting a little bit. Okay, so I'm getting in one of these and look at it. Yeah, it kind of glitches about, but yeah, it's a lot slower than the ones over there, and it deals the same amount of damage. So yeah. Also, there's two upgrades on this thing. The first one costs 3,500,000. It's extra health, and the second one costs 10 million. I think it adds two anti-air guns and six turrets with two ammo, or six heavy cannons with two ammo there. And yeah, so now I get to pick what I want to spawn. Goodbye, airplane. Goodbye. My it just exploded. Okay, that wasn't really useful, but now I can spawn anything. I'm definitely gonna do the warplane. If you could spawn a B-17 here, that would be insane because the B-17 costs like 7 million. So yeah. Okay. Yeah, but if you upgrade the things, it won't actually have upgrades on this. I don't know if it's probably not a glitch. They probably just forgot. Yeah. I don't like the turret on this. It's not that good. Wait, they're in that thing? They're in that thing. I'm gonna... The battleship is okay. This turret isn't good. It can't, like, turn. It just stays in one place. Yeah, you can't hear, but there's a lot of beeping on my thing. Well, not beeping, but like... Yeah, it keeps on beeping. I hate that. It's just because it connects. I suck at aiming, even though it aims for you. Okay, so wait for it to beep. Bop. No, it's not even doing it. Okay, also there's a floating tree. I already told you that. Okay, so I'm gonna end the video here. This is the most expensive thing in the game. Yeah, I know why. It's really good. But yeah, I'm just gonna end the video by breaking this thingy. I hate the turrets here, they're not good. Oh no, I got stuck, okay. Okay. Now we're stuck. Okay, I'm just gonna end the video. Wait, they have anti-air guns too. That's no fair. But it's fair, they don't have a helipad or anything. They just have a bunch of turrets. Okay, I'm gonna end the video by shooting them down. I'm gonna bomb them with the bomber. Oh, they left. Okay, I'm just gonna end the video now. Bye.